I have found, I'm working on a 2013 Hyundai Elantra, and I have found that the turn signal kind of blinks really fast as far as the light on the dash goes, but outside it's really dim. I have found if I go from the power side of one element to the power side of the other element, they both light up. Not all that bright, okay? But if I go from the ground, okay, to the power ones, neither of them work. And so that's in here. Now, could be the bulb, but it's not. I'll show you. It wouldn't have lit up the other way if it was the bulb. So here's ground to dim and bright. Okay? You got that? Now, I have screwed with these things, and I've taken little screwdrivers, pliers, whatever, and pried these things until they fit, until they are really tight against the bulb, and it just doesn't do it for some reason. And now I did this to the other one from the other side just a few minutes ago, and I'm going to show you how to do this side. What it is these things just don't conduct electricity very well because they're really low quality copper, I guess, or I don't know. Anyway, so right here, here's these little deals right here on top. Can you see those? Yeah. Along underneath those, there's a little pin here. You can pop that in. Oops, see how it kind of pops out a little bit. Get your thumbnail in there. Get the other side and do the same thing, and it'll pop right out. Now, the ground one on the other one came with it and would not come out of it. But what you have to do is take a little fine sandpaper and just, scrape that down to bare metal. Okay. Something that'll contact. And don't forget to do the outside where it's going to contact in the headlight housing. And where did it go? Where did it go? Turn it around, plug it in right back. That one that has a notch in it is where it goes, and then that little foot holds it in place. Maybe. If I can, oh, it's got to go in. There's a little groove right there for it to slide into. Okay. Okay. So that's the one causing the problem, but we're going to do these ones also. Just take some needle nose, reach down and grab that little goober, and we're going to sand the surface of that, and sand the surface of that. It's like it's got a little plastic coating on it or something. I don't know. Perhaps it's tarnish, because they, use silver in their copper? I don't know. Anyway, so do the outside and do that side. Okay, and take it and slip it back in its little groove. And there we go. And then line that up. Damn it. Okay, let's get this back in your little groove here, buddy. Oops. In your little groove. There we go. Okay, here we go. Now, just, goes on the inside. And just put it back together and make sure everything's all lining up. Pop it back together. Now, let's see which way does it go. The deep pin is opposite the ground. So, okay, now let's give this a shot. Let this little guy on the ground end and whoo, low beam, and turn signal. Sweet. Okay, that turns out to be the issue on my wife's car. And I hope that helps you. Thank you very much. Screw the likes and stuff like that. I don't have any Patreons or anything like that. If you want, you can drop $1 million in my PayPal. That would be awesome.